we are going to start with WBT. We understood why teachers have to become transformers, why the challenges are there, but nariya problem pati paathirom. Let's see solutions. Are you ready? How many ready for solutions? Say aye. Ready with Chris Biffle, WBT. Chris Biffle is a person who is the founder of WBT. Now, he is a teacher extraordinary. He did very different kind of teaching. So teachers, unlike us, he was not teaching. He was working in a juvenile home. 21 years, he said, I was a failed teacher till I invented WBT. See, we are teaching in a proper school. Children come from good backgrounds, decent backgrounds, nice backgrounds. But his students were coming from where? Juvenile home. They were delinquents. They were, I should not use a word, but just for some people who do not, the juvenile home is where children who do some crimes. They are called as child delinquents. They are not called criminals because they are still children, because they do not still understand what is crime. But yes, they are part of. So he was a teacher in juvenile home. Teachers, think for a moment how his children will be. Children are very difficult to work. It's a prison. That is where he's teaching. He said in 21 years, I wanted to quit teaching at least 1,000 times. Till I invented WBT, whole brain teaching. So for us, life is very easy. Isn't it? Yeah, only few things are there. But he was teaching whom? Child delinquents. Teachers, ready for WBT? Now teachers, the base and the science and the premise of WBT, let's understand. Now teachers, when you are giving a lecture in your class, only two parts of the brain is actually used. Varniki is for listening, hippocampus is for recording whatever they are listening. Teachers, this is what is happening in your classroom. Now, tell me what is wrong with this image. There is something terribly wrong with this image. Varniki area, hippocampus. These are the only two areas are working when you teach them in the class. Right now, this is all the same thing happening with you. I am saying something, you are listening through Varniki. Varniki area is a part in the time of science which listens, which is used for listening, connected to our ear canal. And then there is hippocampus. Hippocampus is a place which records the memory. So these are the two parts which is used when you are giving a lecture. Now what is wrong with this? What is wrong with this image? Something.
One part is idle.
One part is idle. Adha neenga teach பண்ணும்போது, your brain listening to a lecture. You are giving lectures in the class.
First we have to understand.
This is what is happening. So teachers, when we are giving this is happening. Large part of the brain, what is happening? Now my question to you is, can brain stop functioning? No, that is where exactly the issue. The other part cannot be ideal. You cannot switch it off. Kambi solradhu nee kelu. Nadakadu. Scientifically not possible. See teachers, how many have heard this? Empty mind is devil's workshop. This is what is happening. That's the reason why they go into daydreaming. This is the reason why they'll be bullying. They'll be there. You cannot keep the brain idle. They have not come there to meditate. Correct? They have come there to learn, play. They are not there to come and learn. So teachers, this is what is wrong with the current methodology, that they are only using two parts of the brain. What happens to the rest part of the brain? Rest of the brain will start interfering, start distracting, will start making all the challenges. That's the reason why you are shouting, yelling, screaming, pointing out, doing everything. You are going, counseling the child, and the child is not listening. You are working against the science. This is how the brain is. Now, you want to see what is WBT? This is WBT. Maybe you will not understand this. Right now, you may not understand what is WBT, but this is what is WBT. In this, what does it look? Does it look brain fully occupied?
Yes.
Whole brain teaching. Whole brain teaching. You will be able to see every part of the brain is engaged. Every part of the brain is engaged. What happens? They will not go into any challenging activities. You will have them in your palm. They will listen. They will do. They will learn. Earlier is this. See, teachers, you may say, coach, now I don't understand, but I've already done class, yes. Class yes works in the prefrontal cortex. Teachers, this is called as WBT. Every other part, all the 7 techniques are here. Full brain is engaged, the full brain is in the classroom, full mind is there, they will learn. WBT uses in the word called as whole brain teaching. Whole brain is occupied. Otherwise, yes, otherwise, எங்கேயோ கண்ணு போயிடும், எங்கேயோ காது போயிடும். Class, yes. So teachers, you are battling against science. This is your battling against science and you are expecting children to learn. They cannot. Other brain cannot. See, brain cannot stop functioning. இல்ல வேலை செய்யாது, நீ சைலண்ட் ஆறு, உட்காரு, சுப்சாப் பேட்டோ, சைலண்ட் ஆயிரு, எதுவுமே பண்ணாத, நடக்காது. It will keep bringing other things. So teachers, this is called as whole brain teaching.